All right, best way to approach this is clear everything off the top of here to give yourself a nice big work area, and then also everything out from underneath the sink as well, because we're going to be laying down there upside down and looking up into there to disconnect things. So then we're going to get under here and we're going to go ahead and turn off the water right there. Okay, so I've got those two disconnected. Now I've got to disconnect the part up here. Okay, here's the look on the from the underside. And I've cracked these. Now I'm just gonna loosen these by hand and pull them off. You're gonna want to get a towel too, because of that. Keep a couple towels close by. We'll go ahead and disconnect these, and then this is gonna come off too, because this is gonna need to come out. So we'll loosen that. Loosen that there. Pull this off here. There we go. See, now that can just pull right out. Get these hoses off here. Okay, now that we got the hoses removed, these pieces need to come off because this is what holds the faucet to the sink itself. So these should be just hand tight. If not, grab a wrench and loosen them up a little bit. Okay, now that we've got everything disconnected down below, this will just lift right off. And then we'll get this cleaned up, set that aside, and we'll get this all cleaned up, ready for the faucet. That's it. That's how you remove an old faucet. Okay, so this has to get removed. This whole piece here has got to get removed, so we're going to go ahead and pull this out of here. So the first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and disconnect this P-trap. That'd be a good time to clean that baby out too. Just gonna loosen this thing up all the way. Go ahead and unthread this. This is gonna come all the way out. Got a new piece going in. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this. Take this ball out of there. There we go. That'll just fall right out. Now we can pull that thing out. Woo! See you later. Let's push that from the bottom. Get that out of there. Take this out of there too. You can see they pipe roped it real good around there for a good leak-proof connection. I'm going to clean all that out of there. You got that cleaned out really well.